Looks like our friend Peter here has his work cut out for him. That escalator definitely needs a deep clean. Cleaning escalators the old-fashioned way is a tough job.
Whoa there, champ. Check out this beauty. This, my friend, is the i-escalate 520, the escalator cleaning champion. It's so easy to use, everyone can become a cleaning master in minutes. Just fill her up with some water and our super secret cleaning solution. Then, plug it in or connect it to our optional iPower power bank for even safer and faster execution. Finally, switch on the power. Bam! The i-escalate 520 does all the hard work for you. It scrubs, it sucks, it shines. Sparkling clean escalators in a flash. That's right, Peter. It is an all-in-one cleaning champion. And did I mention it's an eco-warrior? We use minimal water, and our cleaning solution is safe for the environment and your health. You can save the planet while you save your back. So ditch the bucket and mop. Upgrade to the i-escalate 520 and join the cleaning revolution.